I never change. Right from Bongo come abroad. I never change. That's why you see some of my secondary school friends, they watch my video, they'll call me. Franco, far. Because why? We know why you zoo or why or you zoo Ubo. Ubo feel I'm really. I'm not the change person, want change. Who you be for how you be. You the stamina, so you always be. I don't want drink. I want you. For Facebook, now bye for now. So, greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast live and direct. When I share this video, sharply, I see the hot. Open up perfectly. When I share the video, straight down. My message now to Monica, Atuari, no who I'm already brief fast. Atuari, Ugana ha woki meji, aha we yo. Atuari, go be a dokbolo. Madam bete, dido bete. Owoki melwe dido, yari, ekiame na ya go of ye. Atuari, sit down. It cannot classify woki meji 100-fold wherever in all ramification of life. You understand? Wherever. When weje atuari, ohona million yawo me set him we because the correct bagwe. Eke aso to be you are a dido better. You understand? Atuari. You don't have any total guana. It may total me guana. That's how to know a real man talking. Okbiano kori boy on. Atuari. It's time day and night. On the meje, may set the way because Oboboya boy. Because you are an idiot. Umadega one Bruce Yagu was a two boya. When why two boya and then Denovi Agua. When you morning Yagu was a gozening. Or when we don't have yet when you're going over. No, here are red pants daily water. Very sharply, my blocking code is activated. Any stupid coming from those puppies, those useless GPC, Ekiamagwalo, GPC, Ali Wado, GPC, Igbiaga. You understand me now? I go block the hell of you guys. Very sharp and very simple. You understand? Atuari, Oriawa. Okay. Now I'm sending this message to you now directly. I am not the one sending you this message directly. I don't want to combine Destiny and Esther issue to this message. I want to sit down categorically to send you this message. Then Esther mana enigbe. Then Esther will be a dokbaji. No mana enigbe. Would Esther still so low? Not if telephone to you where was it? No where to that start 2019. If we get more jive no motion. Truth is bitter. Somebody have to tell say the way it is. Atuari, look at Esther's life today. 2019, you frustrated that woman. Yesterday, on my TikTok, the 2021 Europe tour, you praise all the social media live video presenters in Benin cyberspace. In one year to Wawese, one more woman no mao Wawese, Wawese. 2021, in one Esther Su, no yet all the social media live video is excluding you. When I share this video, you understand? When I share this video, I go scatter off now for this social media. So no one respecting myself. We not like a speech day. We now collect what from my hand. You understand? 2019, you dominated this woman with the husband. Not disgracing social media. Social media high. None of us know who. We all are still here. Actually, if I bola we go. Essa na the phone and what you wear. On the telephone at you wear. Tenyo ninyo wae mawe. Oh, one we ma understand. Oh, one we zaga. Esther on the telephone at you when ninyo wae mawe. You now become the mouthpiece of a Bagua family. Then you can red boy. No, like a platform where no human, the social media. Say it out, let us hear. And you know your boss, you know human. The platform you went in. Say it out, let us hear. Esther called you now. Today, where is Esther Edokpayi? Today now, wait, go and mark today. Esther the yiku no kayiku. You remember? Esther the migo yiku. When Esther the Europe, don't you know again? When Esther the Europe, make Esther come Europe tour. If you see person will go come out for her, you go no send be frank. For all this atrocity we do, for even calling Monica on phone, you have killed your career. What I do? I have a birthday party in Wajuni. What has you ever do? Oh, who there will be? Who would have been your year with Esther Kuyo? Who are Monica? You will never go close to Monica. If you know the evil that Monica wants, Esther Edokpayi Bagua, you will never step your foot close to Monica or to her telephone. Monica. Go and look at 24 bits. Or not back at 24 bits is Monica at Tuari or Via Dokpolo. Do I want to go? I kept you guys quiet. Well, it is war. I just want to see how you guys will live your life. Well, I'm not back at 24 bits with social media. It's Monica at Tuari or Via Dokpolo. You don't know. You will never know. While I'm not back at 24 bits, Monica at Tuari or Via Dokpolo. The day 24 bits is saying one, he Monica. That's the end. Where is the young legend? What am we at the UK? No, you compare. The last time here in the UK, the show, you should go and compare the show with the first show. No? If it's still the same. Not here in Monica. Anything in Monica, you will never go where. Everybody deviates from that person. If you know yesterday, as one Monica, Esther will be on no, he ain't supported. Apart from GPC, Ekia Magwalo. GPC, Ekia Magwalo. GPC, Ekia no Konkon Magwalo. You can know what they go. They are adulterous women that she is supporting. Monica, Owoki me get what? Owoki me, Okeneta wunu. Owoki me, Tokeneta wunu. You understand? Pono what you let me tell Tokeneta wunu. Ah, what beg you? Oh, my working. Who can now work in media? Are you mad or something? Fabola go for national peace story. Oh, my working at Tuari. Negwemu, I dare you can take what you're in. I follow the camp, part 1 or 2. Of where? A vous, was soon for national peace story. When I'm not able to guy. Then that's the way any bay. Oh, one Jesus Christ call you a phone. Menu member. Otherwise, I'm with Frank again. Actually, for me to carry my phone to call you, yeah, your life is doing. You may walk away. Or no matter maybe my walk back. You're an idiot. You are an idiot. Walk bon. But walk my gole bingo anyway. We no marry. Get that going. Esther, you know what? Esther is no longer married. She has returned bride price. Esther has returned bride price because of your advice. Evil woman. I've told you guys several times on the social media. Stay away from Monica. Wow. You want to know what the neighbor who are. Anybody married that moves with Monica end up being a single mother. Where is Esther today? Esther Biena. Not here you are where. And a young man, no man Biena, not where you are. Now, Umatamugi Monica. And Monica might $1 for. Oh, you're $1 wage no saga. Today, where are you? You are now a single mother. It's officially. I am not the one announcing it. Esther is a single mother. She's not married to a Bagua or to a black president. Let's not hide under the fake life again. Let's say it openly. Let's start to the bride price. Anybody can go and toast her now. Why you want to toast her? And Monica got no anything. Very soon, I'm going by GPC gang. Or guy Yagbe of GPC. None of guys Zion ladies. Hello. I talk very live video. Damosa. YouTube channel. umenwantv. Damosa. When they talk this thing, since 2020, a Monica is a bad influence. A spirit is done all the here. A Monica go out of waji all the year why Monica. A suno kagele, a Monica, a maudawa, a mammy, you go before was sujia. A couple of the Moses Monica, a wardrobe of Moses Monica. Very shapeless ameba. You got a water of hatred, you know. Truth is bitter, we want to say the way it is. Eminem my man. E Monica Hundano. Tango. Yes, star. The Monica won already DNA test many years ago. What was our mission? To scatter that woman's house. Am I fake man the Biwi organized set for DNA test of J Boy? Then I bag yet today. On a big way. Monica the godfather who godfather I'm a come out on social media to have no ya DNA test. I'm not doing on the team. Who ni malo yeki ni magarai. I said no reason why I have with DNA test. Yeah, with DNA test the way. Oh, but here allow it, Monica. I'm not going. If you are a stupid woman, today you are not posting destiny picture. What do you stand to gain? You would get destiny if when would you stay if when you got bad word. If we I ask you these questions once again. If we are you not thinking that destiny is praying for the two wives? No, where? No, here wuru we vana Monica no soon with the Lebrowa. Vabo Lawegbe. O ma gbo we do asaga on social media. What the atrocity that you have done on social media? No gba wa gbon. Vabo gbogole bi gole lewe. Oh, because I start gbe boyadi. Esta do gyorie ni kumawe. Odo ha ma we na ya abuni we do boy. Be na ya amwe bogbo we do bu. E wod na agbi seyo. So you are not coming out to saga a word. What do beg word? You can't be nana. 2019. 2025. What do beg? The table want to turn around. As oh, I do my drink. I want you. Listen and listen very careful. This is Frank Victor. Mowagu egona. O Duma. O tutunomonowa. And you are Kobisi. When I hear no sika Kobisi rock band, but more baba with this man. Affliction shall never ride the second time again. My sister. This is not 2019, my sister. You don't fail. So enter us. Use your tongue and cover your mouth, make you enter us. I show you on the shame. You and your so-called adulterous, stupid women, stupid colors. I think when they go bail on the when you for national history. Avec GPC no money where you see I. Avec Kema Golos Squad Association. Avec she wele. Avec Fiekodi family. Wa gba go. About Mangole Bingo Lua. What Bogonekre no Konozion? Who does that? That when I would then say I come up Bozion. We are Bogonekre no Konozion. No matter the situation I am married, Esther Monoa. And they ask you a question. Oh, Monoa. Yeah, I must see your home. Where will you marry me? Are you mad at something? No one to go and do it, Panugu. No one to go and do it, Panugu. No one to go and do it, Panugu. That is life for you. Where did you stand? You are a motherfucker. You bloody civilian that walking allowed with me. About love, go for national peace today. A man have the capacity as a binima to marry 10 wives. Who no wants to make him move ahead? Inshallah. To hell with anybody no wants to stay. Who give a F? Who if you destiny we are married virgin one emi marry. Emi marry we do buy any. But the measure of destiny name alone in the family, everybody have you they go down to wife. You don't make that name. Monica, what's money to what's money in the bottle? You are a mad woman. Any name make it. Any destiny or cover a star. Any destiny bagua or cover a star. Let's call a spade a spade. Do I only tenek bomb what the tenek bomb? If not for destiny, who be Esther? What can love not have Verona? All as who you born Esther. I read one room Esther 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 blower. What can also ask this? Esther blower. And they ask you, Monica, shut up your mouth now. I will bear you a bone. Ogweva. Ogweva no war. What bell? No, listen, where will I do? Oh, you will have pet of Asaboro. Because the boy Asaboro can marry now. O cow, eh? One security way, I'm not very Asaboro. I'm going to expose now. Bang on, they break everywhere. But give me beer, make a drink. Baba with a smile. Oh, tutu no one. Why come I go on?